Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Bruce Xia, Asia #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office. So it's important I share a bit about myself, especially for those who are first time watching my video, is to establish credibility, why I'm qualified to teach you what I'll be teaching you. So I'm the author of 3 best-selling books on network marketing. Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. First edition sold out, second edition sold out. And that's me when I was 40 years young. Come 28 May soon, I'll be 66. And there's a small window of opportunity for you to leverage on my knowledge and expertise. Come 28 May 2024, I'll be 67 with God's blessing. I want to do 9 months God's great work, share the good news to the ends of the earth, evangelize, and 3 months as a network marketing consultant, international speaker, keynote speaker, and trainer. That is what I love to do. So, my inspiring story is that I worked very hard for 12 years. The bird cage represents 12 years of working hard. I broke free 29 years ago. The bird, that's me. So, my inspiring story is that I was a workaholic at that time. I worked 12 to 16 hours in a day. And I came home, I was so tired, I just want to take a short nap. But when I opened my eyes this morning, I slept with my work clothes on, and it happened a few times. That is why I wrote this book, Break Free, There is a Better Way to Earn a Living. So there comes a time where you must tell yourself, enough is enough, I want to break free. So that is why I'm conducting this special program. It's called Join the Create Wealth System Community. So I'm building a community for $47 only, Singapore $47 only, and get an irresistible offer. So I'll cover the irresistible offer later. So for clarity, you can join the Create Wealth System Community for Singapore dollars 47 and get an irresistible offer. So I'm going to launch it worldwide, so it's offline, online. So if you live abroad, you can join the webinar too. So every month I have a webinar for people to network and to learn, to leverage on my 29 years of network marketing and 23 years of digital marketing knowledge experience. So my mission is to help millions worldwide to live a better life, help make this world a better place, and help make world peace a reality. So that is why I make it very affordable, Singapore $47 to start, to join the Create Wealth System worldwide community. The other 2 books, they are sold out too. Why Network Marketing and How to Be Successful in Network Marketing. This photo was taken at Vouchers Peak in India. I make 4 pilgrimage trips to India seeking the truth, and the truth will set you free. And I'm so happy I found the truth, which is God, and God to me is love, wisdom, and integrity. So I had a 3-year break, not 3-month break. So I took 3 years to travel around the world, to discover the meaning of life, and I'm so glad I found it, which is the truth, God. And that is why I want to do God's great work, because He saved my life so many times. If He didn't save my life, I won't be able to speak to you. So every day, every breath I take, I'm very grateful that I'm alive. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. So why network marketing and how to be successful in network marketing. This is just part of my collection. I have over 140 different titles on network marketing. I got carried away to learn from successful network marketers, their knowledge and experience they shared with me through their books. So the gold mine is between your ears. How much are you willing to invest in yourself? That is why Warren Buffett said that the best financial investment is in yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. So let's say average $20 multiplied by 140 books, that is $2,800 worth of books I'm willing to invest in my mind. So are you willing to invest in $47 to tap into, to leverage on my, not only the books, over the years, 29 years, I invested over 100,000 over 10,000 to learn digital marketing, over 100,000 to learn from many successful entrepreneurs such as Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, Jay Abraham, and Mark Victor Hansen. So 3 of my books are sold out. I'm looking for a good network marketing company to republish them, and I'll donate 100% of the royalties to feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water. These are my paid forward projects. So I'm very excited. God has blessed me greatly, and not only saved my life many times, He gave me a huge community garden, the size of 3 badminton courts, and land in Singapore is pretty expensive, so that's a multi-million-dollar garden, and I've been taking good care of it for 13 years. And so I'll teach you how to ask the right questions to the right people at the right time. It's all about the power of your network, your connections. It's not what you know, it's who you know. So if you want my books, I have 2 paperbacks at Amazon. Just go to Amazon, key my name Bruce Seah, and you have this paperback, 108 Success Tips on Network Marketing. The other paperback is How to Earn Your First Million in Network Marketing. And when I get a chance, I get on the stage, I often ask this important question. If I'm the key factor to help you earn your first million in network marketing, how much will you give me? And there are many generous people. Some say 10%, 100,000, 30%, 300,000, 50%, 500,000, $500,000 they're willing to give me. So I got an irresistible offer for you. Just you keep your hundreds of thousands of dollars, just invest $19, US $19.97, same price for the other paperback, delivered to your doorstep. So whatever proven success principles I applied to earn my first million in network marketing, I shared them with you in these 2 paperbacks. So there are no secrets. The key factor is application. You must do. Knowing is not enough. You must do. Very important. Take action. So, and I also highly recommend you read these 2 books. This from one of my business mentors and coaches, Robert Kiyosaki, The Business School for People Who Like Helping People. And I speak from 29 years of network marketing knowledge and experience. Network marketing is the business school for people who like helping people. And if you like helping people, you do very well in network marketing. And if you're teachable, because it's a business school, you can learn and earn at the same time, right? And the other bestseller is The Business of the 21st Century. So if you want to understand network marketing, I highly recommend you read these two books. Of course, I highly recommend you read my paperbacks too. So I invested over $6,000 to learn from him. Not $1,000, over $6,000. So you must be willing to invest in yourself. And when it comes to investing, it's not the amount of investment, it's the returns on investment. So in a span of 5 years, Robert Kiyosaki helped me to earn over $84,000, right? So at a webinar, I can always share with you this wonderful story. So another book I highly recommend you read is The New Professionals, The Rise of Network Marketing as the Next Major Profession by Professor Charles King and James Robinson. So you see, there are many professionals who are getting on board, and millions worldwide are getting on board the bandwagon. Why? They are professionals, they have good title, good salary, but they are so busy. I know, because I was like them. 12 to 16 hours a day, they don't have a life. They're so busy earning a living, they got no time to live. Isn't that sad? So that is why they join network marketing, because they want more time, more money, a better lifestyle. So many people are ignorant about network marketing. They say network marketing doesn't work, many people lose their money. It's just like going to the gym. Many people join the gym, but they never go and make use of the facilities. It takes discipline to make money. Success is a process. It takes commitment of money, time, and consistent effort. So if you don't really work the business, definitely it's not going to work, right? So there are many ignorant people, and so sad. I recently watched a Netflix. This guy teaching people how to get rich, and he doesn't understand network marketing. And to make that statement that network marketing doesn't work, most people lose money, I've totally lost respect for him, right? So network marketing works when you work the system. It takes 2 to tango. For the system to work, you must work the system, guaranteed. That is why I launched this very affordable program to teach people what network marketing is all about, and also to share million-dollar lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. So I put my money where my mouth is. So when you invest $47, Singapore's $47, basically you're tapping into my 100,000 investment. And you see behind me, I have a photo with Mark Victor Hansen taken in Las Vegas in the year 2000, 23 years ago. How time flies. And he's special to me because he inspired me to become an international speaker. So dreams do come true. I'm sharing this not to impress you, but to impress upon you that I know exactly what I'm talking about, and my mission is to help millions worldwide to live a better life by sharing my knowledge and experience and the million-dollar lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn. That's why I make it very affordable for people to get into the bandwagon, $47 thing. And I give a 90-day risk-free 100% back guarantee, money back guarantee. My heart is in the right place because I want to help people. If you follow my simple step-by-step instruction for 90 days, you cannot earn double of what you have invested, $47. Happily return your $47. To get 100% returns in 90 days, that's fantastic. So I just want to let you experience the power of network marketing and how to think out of the box, critical thinking, how to work smart instead of working hard. Like I shared with you earlier, I know what is working hard. I had 12 years of working hard. At that time, I enjoyed my job. I was a senior copywriter, creative director, and I was a USA tour leader. Just imagine 50 tour groups, more than 50 tour groups to USA. There's 20 hours flight there and 20 hours flight back, and plus a jet lag and lots of responsibility. But I did have a great time. I love to take care of people. I'm a caring, sharing person. So that job fits me like a glove. And I'm still a freelance USA tour leader. Before the COVID-19, more than 2 years ago, I led 2 tour groups to 14 days to East Coast and 11 days to West Coast, USA. So I had a great time. I enjoy more than the tour members. So, okay, I've covered all this already, and just do it. So you can join me 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Once you commit the $47 in Singapore, you pay me through PayNow. My mobile number is 8168-2088. I have the details in this video. 8168-2088. So PayNow, and if you live abroad, it'll be PayPal. My pay through PayPal. My PayPal payment email is brucesear@gmail.com. So just do it. It'll be on 11 May, Thursday, Singapore time. So if you live abroad, you got to check the Singapore time. It's 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It'll be a Zoom webinar, and it's literally worth US $2,000 because now I charge US $1,000 an hour for my network marketing consultation. So 2 hours, that's my $2,000 worth of time. Time is very precious. So what's your very small one-time commitment? Singapore $47. So I want to attract smart people that for $47 you can have my 90-day money back guarantee. You can tap into my 100,000 investment, my 29 years of network marketing knowledge and experience, my 23 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience, and learn. And it'll be generic. That means it's open to all network marketers. I won't be promoting any particular network marketing company. I just share the generic proven success principles because I want to help all network marketers to do better, to move up to the next level. So I've already positioned myself as a network marketing consultant, international speaker, keynote speaker, and trainer. Don't you think I've done enough of network marketing? 29 years, but I still like to do. So I keep my business aside, but I would love to help all network marketers to improve their business. So remember, 11 May, that is Thursday, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. It'll be a Zoom webinar. So when I receive your payment confirmation, I will send you the Zoom link. And you learn how to create a positive cash flow of $350 to $3,500 or more a month part-time. I want to keep the income potential believable, right? $350 to $3,500 or more a month part-time. Can you do with the extra cash flow? And you can do it part-time. So I'm very happy to get this going. Just do it. Nike's billion-dollar slogan. Just do it. So in marketing, it is never the price, it's always the value. So this is the $1 million lesson I'm sharing with you now. So the price is $47. The value is more than $100,000 because you're leveraging, you're tapping into the gold mine is between your ears. Your mine is a gold mine. So I invested over $100,000 in my gold mine. So for $47, you can tap into what I've invested. And also my 29 years of knowledge and experience. And I've learned so many $1 million lessons on business and life for $47. I just want to share with you so that you can live a better life. A good example is $3,995 is as good as $4,000. And that's Singapore dollars, 4,000, about 3,000 US. And over 500 people from many countries, China, USA, India, Taiwan, they flew all the way down to Singapore because it was held in Singapore. The 3-day billion-dollar marketing weekend by the world-renowned marketing guru J. Abraham. So he's special, and he give a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee, right? And I was there. I witnessed. There was one from China. He didn't get J. Abraham accent because he's American. So he said, yeah, speak to the organizer, get your money back. Right? But beside that guy, nobody asked for their money back because in marketing, it's never the price. He gives great value, and I salute him and respect him. So I learned a lot from him. In fact, when I launched my book, that was 1997. How many years ago? 1997. That is 3 years and 26 years ago. I give a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee on my book. Until today, nobody asked for their money back. So my 2 paperbacks on network marketing at Amazon, 108 Success Tips on Network Marketing, and the other paperback, How to Earn Your First Million Network Marketing, I also give a risk-free 100% money-back guarantee. If after reading a book you don't find that you get value, just get in touch with me. Now it's so easy through PayPal. I can return 100% of your money. So I'm so happy. I'm on the roll now because time passed so fast. Time flies. And 66 soon, and 28 May 67 with God's blessing. I want to do God's great work 9 months. So by that time I don't have much time. I'll be doing 9 months doing God's great work. So now there's a small window of opportunity. So let's get going. If you're willing to invest 47 Singapore dollars in yourself and join my webinar on 11 May, Thursday, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, and I will send you the link so you can join the Zoom webinar. So remember, life is about critical thinking. Critical thinking means thinking out of the box, thinking what most people are not thinking. I think less than 3% have this powerful critical thinking. So you must develop this critical thinking, think out of the box. So that is why my $1 million question to you and to millions worldwide: why do you want to work hard when you can work smart? Why do you want to depend on yourself 24 hours a day when you can leverage thousands of people and thousands of hours a day? And I'm giving you an irresistible offer. So take action. Remember, love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. And I'll definitely see you at the top. I look forward to hearing from you. So God bless you. Take care and bye-bye.